deleting your Impact affiliate account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can delete your Impact's affiliate account. So for that, you just have to go to your browser and type in impact help.impact.net, and here you will be able to see an option, multiple problems that you're facing. So you just have to look for this problem, which is how do I delete my Impact account and profile. And as you guys can see, it is written right there. If you would like to delete your Impact account or profile, please email us at help@impact.net. So you just need to remember this email, which is help@impact.net, and you need to email your name and your email address to them, and they will probably assign you an agent who will help you deleting your account. So you just have to explain them why do you want to delete your account and other stuff, or if you are currently facing any problems, the reasons. They might be able to help you without having you to delete your account. But if you still want to delete your account, you just need to tell them that you want to delete your account, and they will help you in the process of deleting your account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can delete your Impact affiliate account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.